Hello children, I am your art teacher Sangeeta Sarkar and today we'll be making a Christmas tree. So as you know, the Christmas is very near, so let's make a very easy Christmas tree. And for this we'll need 3 origami papers, glue, origami papers, that is the square size papers. If you don't have origami papers, you can cut green color paper like a square. You can take help from your parents. Now let's start making it. So first take one paper. Preferably take green paper because Christmas tree is always green. Now fold it other way also. It should look like a triangle now. Now hold the 2 corners and bring it towards the center like this. You should hold the corners like this and bring it towards the center. When you do it this way, the other 2 corners would also come out. And finally it should look like this. It is again a triangle which is smaller than the earlier one. And finally it should look like this. So now we'll take another paper and follow the same process. Now this is the third one. So now we are done with the folding of the papers, and now we'll start with folding it again this way. So fold it in the other way, press it so that it looks like this. All the 4 triangles should look coming in 4 different directions. When you place it, it should look like this. So for that you have to press it again in 2 different ways. This way and the other way. Then you will get like this. So all the 3 folds will look like this. Now let's apply glue. You can see where I am applying the glue, just at the top of the fold on all sides. But it has to be applied only on the top, and then stick it this way, one on the other. And press it tight so that it doesn't come out. You have to apply more glue and press it, otherwise it might come out. Now we'll apply glue on the second one the same way. And then we'll stick it. The same way you have to press it again. Keep it pressed so that it doesn't come out. Give some time to stick. Now we are done with the Christmas tree. Now let's take some thermocol balls. If you don't have thermocol balls, you can stick anything you want. So like this, keep sticking wherever you want on the Christmas tree. You can cut papers, make some shapes, colorful shapes, and stick on it. So you can stick anything you like. Now let's add some snow, artificial snow of course. So we'll take some cotton and stick on the tree. Apply it on top of the tree. As well as on some areas down also, wherever you like, stick the cotton. Now I'm making a star. For this you have to draw like this, a triangle like this, and another triangle in the other way. So this way you can draw a very easy star. And now you have to take help from your parents and you have to cut this star. You can also get these stars available in stationery shops, so you can stick that also. You don't have to then draw and cut. Now what I am doing, I have this golden glitter which is already added with glue, so I'm just applying on it. So it has become golden in color. You can also add golden paper here. Since it's a Christmas tree, so if you could add this star, it will look better. So you can take a ready-made or you can make one, and finally it should look like